Okay, so the goal of this video is to teach you how to fold a paper throwing star. What you need to do is start with a square piece of paper. I've actually took two squares and made two different colors just so you can see it a little better. Plus I think it makes a more interesting star. But I took a piece of standard letter size paper, which was 8.5 by 11. I cut it so it was 8.5 by 8.5 square. And then what you need to do again is to cut it in half. So this would be 4.25 by 8.5, 4.25 by 8.5. But any square that you start with and then cut in half should work. The important thing to remember as you fold this is that every part is going to be symmetrical mirror-wise. These two parts are going to mirror each other. And I have them in different colors to demonstrate that more easily. The first fold is a long burrito style fold. And so to show that they mirror each other, I have them both opening in towards each other. The next fold is to go down from the top and line it up with the bottom. And then we're just folding this to make a crease line, and then we'll open it back up. So we have the crease line. And unfold it. And once again, they still mirror each other. They open up towards each other. The next step is to, using this crease line, fold this up along that line. And I do the same thing in the mirrored direction with this other one. And now I take this top part and fold it the opposite way along this line. And the opposite or mirror way with the other one. There we go. Now we flip them both over, and we're going to take this corner and fold it along this line here to form a triangular end. And we'll do that with both corners, pulling it to make a triangular end. And so we make this sort of shape. And we'll do that with the other one. Alright, so now it doesn't really, you can see they mirror each other. What you need to know is that we have two sides here. We have the side that doesn't have an open flap, and we have a side which has the open flap. And same here, no open flap, open flap. And what we want to do is take the two sides that don't have an opening and lay them over top of each other like this. And try to make them centered. And then what it is these openings in the middle are what we're going to tuck these into. So I fold it over and tuck it under. And then I fold this over and tuck it in the green there. And you kind of have to smush it down to make it work. And then, unless you're a more precise folder than I am, you flip over and you fold it over and tuck it in that flap, fold it over, tuck it in the flap, and kind of get it in there. Give the whole thing a nice press, and there we go. Your paper throwing star.